the rule in the Tao sexual practices, you have to have lady ejaculation first. And the lady ejaculation first is, we talk about you have arousal state. You're playing with the nipple, and you're working, and you understand the 9 flower, and that is your arousal, the lady. So that is the first part. So the kissing, licking the nipple, play with the nipple, and this is 2 flower, 3, 4, lip, that's kissing, hugging, and that is the mouth, or a mouth hygiene is important. And the most important part is the lady have clitoris ejaculation first. That is the first step. Because when you very good working with so your finger have to be very light touch. Okay, very, very light touch. And your technique is important. Okay, little oil and very light touch on the clit. And when you do it right, the clitoris swollen up. When it harder, and you continue on, we call the squirt coming out. Now you success, okay? So that now you have to be patient first, work with it. Sometimes you don't get it right, sometimes you get it right. And when you get the woman squirt first, now, and when you finish the first clitoris ejaculation, and you make love, there is a lot of fluid now. And after that, when you feel you near ejaculation, you pull out. So that is the technique of multi-orgasm man. So when you feel arousal orgasm, you near, you pull out. And you continue work on the mysterious gate. So always you have to go back and forth. The clitoris ejaculation and you make love. And the mysterious gate ejaculation and you make love. And you're coming back out again, clitoris ejaculation and the mysterious gate. Now, when you do back and forth like this, now they go to the uterus orgasm. So the uterus orgasm is the last part. That is the woman feel the uterus contracting. And the uterus orgasm, men cannot do it because the finger you cannot reach there, and it's dangerous and not good. So all is the woman have to be on the top. So woman on the top, when it goes down, the penis on the spot, on the, we call the epicenter open. It's only that the clitoris ejaculation and the mysterious gate ejaculation, now the cervix on the side, they're opening a spot they call epicenter. So they have name for that. So the epicenter is the highest orgasm for women, and it's not always get it. Woman is very special, okay? Actually, the clitoris not built for penis. It's hanging outside, not in the vagina. What are you going to do with it? You only have to, and I don't know why God built that, meant to play with it, that's all. They're not, there's no any involved with the having baby. But definitely make the woman aroused and want to have sex, okay? So the clit hanging outside. And the mysterious gate is not for the penis. The penis have to be, you have to do operation, make the penis this way. And you can hit on the G spot. So that it also not built for the penis. So that's why clitoris have to use finger. Mysterious gate, you have to hook and you work on it. The other thing, otherwise the penis in and out is miss all this point. The penis, you cannot get the penis and rub on the clit. That's a lot of work. Otherwise, because the clit is not built for that. Otherwise, men very quick when you insert the penis in, you very quick because you're hugging, kissing, arousal, everything. You already so heat. You want to ejaculation. Okay, so that's why in the Tao said, don't go in yet. So the important part to understand, you don't have to ejaculation every time. That is the key. And so when you no ejaculation every time, when you make love, the energy, the sexual energy that produced it gives you another energy. And it multiplies this arousal energy, it multiplies. When you have this arousal feeling, it doubles the sexual energy. It multiplies the sexual energy. So that's why the sexual energy can multiply 10 times, 100,000 times to 1,000,000 times. That is the power of the sexual energy. So that's why one complete cell, the sperm and egg come together, from one cell, it can split up to 6 trillion cells. That's the basic one. And every year, we're still producing more cells. Okay? The cell divide and they need sexual energy. So no matter how old are you, they need sexual energy to multiply the cell. Yeah, without the sexual energy, they cannot multiply the cell. Okay, so that's why sexual energy we're producing until very old. Okay, you stop it, the cell slow down, you get old immediately. So we have a long extended healing love. You learn a lot of how to transform the sexual energy and the sexual magic in a white magic part. That's my expert, you know. And using for healing yourself, strengthening yourself and your partner. You know, sexual magic is the most powerful energy we have is the sexual energy. So I invite you to this Healing Love course in December.